If you want to type faster and stop your fingers from getting tired, you need to ditch your laptop keyboard and get a mechanical keyboard. Here are the best 3 for beginners. Number 1 is the Tank, the Red Dragon K552. It usually costs under $40. It is built like a brick. It uses blue switches, which are loud and clicky, very satisfying to type on, but maybe too loud for a library. It is the best-selling budget keyboard for a reason. Number 2 is the wireless choice, the Royal Kludge RK61. This is a 60% keyboard, meaning it has no number pad, so it leaves more room on your desk for your mouse. It connects via Bluetooth to your laptop or iPad, and it looks incredibly clean and modern. Number 3 is the professional choice, the Keychron K2 Pro. This is the gold standard. It works perfectly with Mac and Windows. The keys feel like butter, smooth and solid without being annoying. It has QMK/VIA support, meaning you can reprogram every single key. If you write code or essays for a living, this is the best investment you can make.